Hi everyone! In this video, we will study on how to find the area of sector of a circle. Let's have first the definition. Sector of a circle. A sector of a circle is the region bounded by arc of the circle and the two radii to the endpoints of the arc. We have two radius bounded by an arc, and note that the measure of central angle is equal to the measure of intercepted arc. If the measure of the central angle is 30 degrees, then the measure of the intercepted arc is also 30 degrees. If the measure of the central angle is 60 degrees, then the measure of the arc is also 60 degrees. Now, to find the area of a sector of a circle, we have three steps to follow. Number 1, find the area of the circle. Number 2, determine the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360. And number 3, get the product of the area of the circle and the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360. Now we have here an example. The given radius is 9 cm and the measure of the arc is 30 degrees. We will follow the three steps. Find the area of the circle. The area of the circle is A is equal to pi r square. So, pi is equivalent to 3.1416 and radius is 9 inches. Then, for the solution, we are going to substitute the value of pi and the radius. So, we have A is equal to 3.14, which is the pi, times r, which is 9. And we square. So we have 9 square is equal to 81 inches square. And then we multiply 3.14 times 81. The answer is 254.34 inches square. Since we already know the area of the circle, then we will follow the second step to find the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360, which is again the measure of the arc is 30 over 360, and 30 divided by 360 is 0.083. And for the letter C, or the third step, we're going to multiply the area of the circle times the ratio of the measure of the arc over 360. Again, the area of the circle is 254.34 inches square times 0.083. It is equal to 21.11 inches square. So, the area of the sector LUV, or the sector, is 21.11 inches square.